Hi, I'm Art, and today I'm turning my attention to my gutters. They're looking very tired and weathered, and they also don't match the window joinery. So today I'm going to clean them up and use some Resene products to bring them back to life and tie this whole exterior together. With the right prep and the right finish, these gutters are going to look sharp and ready to take on the elements. Let's get into it. They needed a good clean and treatment for moss and mould. I started by treating the visible mould and moss with Resene Moss Mould Killer. Then gave the gutters a thorough clean using Resene paint prep and Housewash. Once everything was dry and well cleaned, I prepped and primed with Resene pre-coated steel primer. And finished with 2 coats of Resene Sonyx 101 in Resene Ironsand. And that's the gutters done. The right prep and paint make all the difference, giving the gutters a fresh, durable finish that will stand up to the weather. Another job checked off. Now on to the next project.